Dear kids, let's learn color and alphabet. Red, green, orange, blue, and yellow. Red color. A, capital A. A is for apple. A is for apple. Is small a. A is for ant. A for ant. Green color. B, capital B. B is for ball. B is for ball. Small b. B for bag. B for bag. Orange color. C, capital C. C for cat. C for cat. Small c. C for cow. C for cow. Blue. D, capital D. D for dog. D for dog. Small d. D for doll. D for doll. Yellow. E, capital E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Small e. E for egg. E for egg. Red color. F, capital F. F for pen. F for pen. Small f. F for fish. F for fish. Green color. G, capital G. G for goat. G for goat. Small g. G for glass. G for glass. Orange color. H, capital H. H for horse. H for horse. Small h. H for horn. H for horn. Blue. I, capital I. I for ink. I for ink. Small I. I for igloo. I for igloo. Yellow. J, capital J. J for judge. J for judge. Small j. J for jar. J for jar. Red color. K, capital K. K for kite. K for kite. Small k. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. Green color. L, capital L. L for lion. L for lion. Small l. L for leaf. L for leaf. Orange color. M, capital M. M for monkey. M for monkey. Small m. M for money. M for money. Blue. N, capital N. N for night. N for night. Small n. N for noon. N for noon. Dear friends, let's learn this alphabet again. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, N, N. Red color. O, Capital O. O for orange. O for orange. Small O. O for octopus. O for octopus. Green color P. Capital P. P for penguin. P for penguin. Small p. P for parrot. P for parrot. Orange color Q. Capital Q. Q for Quran. Q for Quran. Small q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Blue. R. Capital R. R for rose. R for rose. Small r. R for ring. R for ring. Yellow. S. Capital S. S for sun. S for sun. Small s. S for sunflower. S for sunflower. Red color T. Capital T. T for tomato. Small t. T for tiger. T for tiger. Green color U. Capital U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Small u. U for uniform. U for uniform. Orange color V. Capital V. V for vulture. V for vulture. Small v. V for value. V for value. Blue. W. Capital W. W for window. W for window. Small w. W for water. W for water. Yellow. X. Capital X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Small x. X for X-ray. Red color Y. Capital Y. Y for yellow. Small y. Y for yard. Green color Z. Capital Z. Z for Jew. Z for Jew. Small z. Z for zero. Z for zero. Dear kids, let's learn this alphabet again. O, O. P, P. Q, Q. R, R. S, S. T, T. U, U. V, V. W, W. X, X. Y, Y. Z, Z. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.